What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and we're here in Santa Clara at the Octoberfest, and I'm gonna walk around and take you guys with me. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got this Z right here. I couldn't jump an M2, it's too small. Look, it's cute, like in the inside. It looks tight though. The Corolla, okay, the Corolla, okay. Oh, this is nice. I like this rock color. And then all the carbon. Yeah. This is something like the Hulk wants to do. I told him to just do it. Just clean. It's like. All titanium shit. It's got the carbon fenders and it's lower though. Just clean ass ST. The what? Oh, they say, ooh. You like the orange? The GTS line, carbon diffuser.
It's the scratches from
Dude, funny, bro. Super. Oh, here you go. Ooh, look at this M3. It's wide bodied. Supercharged. It's supercharged too. Damn, this is clean, bro. What the heck? It's the carbon emblems, buckets, full air suspension, digital camos. Nah, I don't. That's the only thing I like, the little dash part. The digital camo. It's cool, but eh. Calilos, bro. Yeah, this is kind of cool. You wanna do some shit like this sometime? It's crazy, look. It's red on the wall. That's cool. Clean M3 right here. I mean, I don't like Civics, but this is pretty nice. Titanium cover. Dang, bro. Look at these fenders. Shit's wide body, bro. What the heck? Wide body on the Civic. Okay. Turbo. Look at the big old turbo. Turbo right there. Damn, bro. That's crazy. Yeah.
No false starts. 1, 2, 3, race. Oh. Here they come.
This is a clean Porsche right here. Dang. The marble and M3. Jeez.
All right. Did you guys enjoy that?
It's got the red cage and everything.
They're available at the CA Rat House booth. $25 for one shirt, $65 for two, and also get some raffle tickets as well. Stop by them. Also want to thank bayeuros for helping put this event on. Make sure you guys stop by, get some food, get some donuts, get some drinks, pick up some Hot Wheels, get some boba. Support all the vendors, please. They're here for you guys.
Carbon, titanium charge coolers, carbon cover, gold wrench caps. Okay. Inventory intake. Clean, bro. He's got the Recaro bucket seats too, and the white cage. Custom steering wheel with the Recaro. Carbon fiber seat. Look, this is what I was showing you. It leads to back seat to lose weight. That's crazy with the white cage.
It looks like this one now.
It is. I like the little accent, the accents with the red. That looks really nice to me. I don't know.
I like that because of the
Music. It's really nice. Dude, a lot of this I'm gonna have to cut out because of the freaking music. This is a clean type bar. It's lowered. Oh, it's sick. It's got like flakes in it.
There's this purple on the inside.
Ooh, shit, yeah. See, look. The dash and the fucking thing. That looks clean, huh? Even the these. The pillars. Nice and simple. M3. But it's got a freaking racing performance engine in it. This is crazy, bro. This is really fucking nice. It's got the carbon grills, lowered obviously. Got this 86 right here. This like flower print is pretty clean. You gotta go crazy like this and turn.
This is so fucking nice.
I know. Look, it has a carbon wing too, like white. We walked past it. Holy shit. This is pretty cool too. All carbon fiber. Looks like it's on air suspension. It's got the fin. M2 right here. Dude, this is clean, bro. Holy shit, braided lines everywhere. Blue. It's like blue and pink, huh? Or like gray and pink. I don't know. Yeah. Dang, got the carbon scoop.
Oh my god, look at the.
Whoa.
Look at that.
This Acura is clean. I don't even. Dude, I don't know. There's these flower prints are pretty clean. Dang, they got the curtains, bro. What the heck?
I want to put some of those in my car, but I can't find them anywhere.
For your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Got the carbon too. Okay, okay. Oh shit. This STI's pretty cool. Oh, here you go, look. Oh, here's the little plates they are selling.
Yeah.
These are probably their cars right here.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Civic's pretty clean. Hey guys, they got a lot of clean WRXs here. I like this one right here. It's got the cool little wrap with the hexagons, and then it's got the little body kit on the bottom. It's pretty clean. Cool little Civic right here. Looks like a fucking lime, bro. It looks like a lime. Where'd you get that gate? You like this gate?
Nice.
I like it. It's cool. Ooh, this shit's clean.
The fucking color is so nice.
This shit's clean, bruh.
Why is everything?
There's so many cars here. It's crazy. Oh, here you go. Let me go peek. Damn, bruh. This shit is so clean. Swap the bumper out too, I think. That's hella nice. Look at this Beamer. Bro, what the heck? Carbon everything, carbon emblems. Jeez. The Mama Lona's out here, bro. Low and slow. Low and slow. Oh shit. Okay. Low and slow. Dude, they got the carbon. Look at the carbon hood, and then they have like the seat. What the fuck, bro? This is. Here you go, man. The sucker mobile. Sheesh. This is gonna be the fucking thumbnail, bro. Damn, bro. Look at the color. It's a Lexus though? I don't fucking know, bro. I don't fucking know. I don't know anything about fucking vans. Footage, but there's a lot of music, so a lot of it will probably just be time lapses, but I got some good footage for y'all as you see. We got the 330 parking 2 M3s right here. They're pretty clean, you know what I mean? We got the fruit too. Jeez, I don't even know whose cars these are, but we're parked next to them, so you know, it's lit. Shit. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. I'm back at home, and Octoberfest was a success. I would say it was overall fun. I didn't get a lot of footage after the actual event because we kind of just went to San Francisco, hung out, got some food, and headed home. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this jam-packed video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be back on the grind, and I'm out.